let's make sensory tubes. All aboard the Creativity Express. Welcome, you've finally made it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're at the Imagination Station, and today, as I just mentioned, we're going to be making sensory tubes. Before we begin, let's grab all of our supplies. You're going to need some duct tape and or super glue, hand soap, of course, some tubes. I actually got these from Michael's, but you can also check out Amazon, some water, and then fun things that you can put inside of the tubes. So that way when they shake up, it makes all sorts of sounds and looks really cool. I've got pom-poms, beads, glitters, whatever catches your eye, even paint, you can grab it. And then we will dive into today's project. First step, grab your tube, pop that top off, and pour some water inside. You're gonna go about a little over halfway, and then top it off with soap. Don't fill it all the way to the top, because you wanna make sure you have room for fun materials. Now this project is super easy, because next, all you have to do is add in all of the supplies that you brought on today with you, like the glitter, the beads, the pom-poms, maybe squeeze some paint in, whatever is feeling exciting for you today. Pop it in there, and don't forget glitter glow. Oh my gosh, glitter goes a long way. So just a little bit is needed. Now, once you have everything inside of your tube, you're going to super glue around the top of the bottle and then place the cap on. You will need an adult with you during this part, so that way they can help take care of the super glue, or you can just simply add duct tape once you close the top around. I like to do both to make sure it's super secure, so that way when you're shaking it, it doesn't make a mess. This is why you want to make sure there's a little bit of room at the top, as you can see in the video. When I poured the water in, you saw where it stopped at. When I poured the soap in, you saw where it stopped at. When I poured all of the added little beads and fun little items, you see where it stops at, right? So there's still space at the top. You don't want to overload it, so that way when you shake it up, you allow the bubbles to form from the soap and it doesn't leak. And then add your super glue, put the top on, and then next we'll add duct tape. Look how fun! This is so exciting. We're so close to being done. All right, now you can totally stop here, but you can keep going and get even more decorative with your sensory bin. If you want to cover up your tape, you can, or you can also pick out a super cool duct tape that has different colors. I've used tie-dye before, or just one color. I only had white on hand when I made this video, so I wanted to cover it up, and I used some fun, I can't remember what it's called, but ribbon-like tulle. That's the word, tulle. So I used some tulle that I had. You can also cover it up with ribbon. There's just so many ways that you can get creative with decorating the outside of these sensory bins. I mean tubes. Whoops. You know what I mean. One other thing you can do to add a nice little touch and really speak to the theme of your tube, if you have a theme, is you can grab paint markers and draw on the outside, or even color on top of the tape. So I decided to draw little swirls, as you're going to see here soon in the video, and I just really liked the way it all came together. And to me, it wasn't super galaxy themed like I originally planned, but it still gave that vibe in my opinion. And the sensory tube I created was for me to play with, so I get to use it and make it however I want, just like your sensory tube is for you, and you get to make it however you want. although you can totally make this as a gift for someone and make it special and unique for them. And once you're finally done with all of the final touches, you can use your sensory tube when you're bored, when you're upset, when you're sad. Notice how the water moves, notice how the items move, notice the sounds you hear, and allow this to be a tool for you when you're going through hard and big emotions. Thank you so much for creating with me and coming on to the Imagination Station. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.